UN officials said that Israel and Palestine escalating towards full-scale war. Gaza has been under a near-constant barrage of airstrikes as Israel launched its most intense bombardment in years. The moment a 13-story residential tower in western Gaza City collapsed after it was hit by an Israeli airstrike. A night of heavy bombardment on the Gaza Strip has continued as Israeli forces launched intensive raids on various locations across the besieged coastal territory. Gaza's Ministry of Health said the overall death toll since the latest offensive began stood at 53, including 14 children. More than 300 others have been wounded.